Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to enable Sandbox in your Windows 10 computer. Windows Sandbox is a lightweight isolated environment available starting with the May 2019 update to test untrusted applications without affecting your device. Sandbox works like a virtual machine, and when you close the sandbox, it deletes everything in it, which means that every time you start the feature, you will start with a clean install of Windows 10. Nothing can get from the sandbox to your main installation of Windows, and nothing remains after closing it. Windows Sandbox is not available on Windows 10 Home. It is only available on Professional, Enterprise, and Education edition of Windows 10. To enable Windows Sandbox on your machine, you need to simply type in the search box turn Windows. As soon as you'll type turn, you will get the option turn Windows features on or off. You can also go to control panel and click on programs and features. On the program and features window at the left hand side, you will see the same feature. So I'll show you. If you go to control panel, just type control and click on control panel app, then click on programs and features. So at the left hand side you will see this option, that is turn Windows features on or off. So click on it. When you click that, so you get Windows features pop up, and there is a long list of features which can be enabled or disabled on Windows, but in this video we are talking about Windows Sandbox. So you need to simply put a check in the box of Windows Sandbox and click on OK. It will start the process and may take few seconds, and then it will give you option to restart your computer. So go ahead and click on restart now. So once your computer restarts, click on start and there will be Windows Sandbox listed in the start menu. You can click on it. Okay, so that's how our Windows Sandbox will look like. It is actually a virtual operating system in your computer. It is a very basic virtual operating system or virtual machine. It has limited features. As I mentioned in the beginning, if you make any change, like if you install any application on Windows Sandbox, that will be gone as soon as you close the application, and when you start it again, it will start like a fresh operating system again. So I will install Google Chrome on it. Click on download Chrome, accept and install. Click on run. And the installation has initiated. Okay, so we got the Google Chrome installed. We will close Microsoft Edge. Okay, so we got the welcome screen on Google Chrome. That means the Google Chrome has been completely installed on Windows Sandbox. I will close Google Chrome. Now I will exit Windows Sandbox and will restart it to show you how it deletes everything and starts with a fresh window. So I'll close it. Are you sure you want to close? I'll say okay. We'll click on start. We'll go to Windows Sandbox and we'll click it to open it. Okay, so we got the Windows Sandbox reopened, and as you see, there is no Google Chrome, which means you will not be able to save anything in Windows Sandbox. However, you can use it for testing purpose. If you want to test any application which you don't want to install on your main computer, so you can use Windows Sandbox. So I'll close the Windows Sandbox. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.